Hey guys, in this video we will see how to install the Windows application in Ubuntu, right? So first of all, to do this you need Wine, right? Wine. So to install the Wine you have to write sudo apt get install Wine, right? So as you can see, I have already installed Wine inside my folder, inside my system. So I will use it right now and I will show you how you can install the Windows application in Ubuntu, right? So here are all applications, but let's say we will use a Sublime text builder and install it, right? So open the terminal here, write the command y Sublime and tab button, right? So he will extract the name with the exe extension and just press enter, and here you can say you can now install the Sublime text editor in the Ubuntu machine, as it is a exe file. You cannot install it directly like in Windows. Click. You have to write the command like wine, and next you can install it by clicking next. So I don't want to install the Sublime, but it's how you can install the exe file or Windows file in Ubuntu, right? In Ubuntu you are using the Debian file because Ubuntu comes in Debian family, right? This is how you can install the Windows application in Ubuntu. Thank you. If you like the video, please